Hey guys, today we'll be working on this BMW 328Ci. This is year 2000 and they're similar year. So if you want to change spark plugs, you open the hood, located right here. So all you have to do is take one here, two nuts. One of mine was missing, probably somebody already worked on it. I just took that one off and took the cap off, this piece. And I got two, this is all my spark plugs. Grab a flathead, pop this up, that comes out, and then you need 10mm, one right here, loosen this, and that comes off. So for the spark plug, I was using this extension, and I was using the 5/8. Mine looked like that. Just like this. And you do all the same thing to all of them, all 6. So for the back, I'm just using like this. And you're able to get to the back too. So these are the spark plugs I got. These are the 7436 Champions. For the back ones, I've used extensions, small ones, 2 small ones like this, and a spark plug too, the 5/8. That's how I reached for the back. So that'll be it for this one. Thank you for watching. Please consider subscribing if you're not subscribed yet, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.